Hello friends, I am Subha. Welcome to our channel. तो फ्रेंड्स आज आम किसी इंग्लिश सेंटेंस देखा जहाँकि आमको इंग्लिश कहबारे साहाय्य करिबो। तो फ्रेंड्स चलो अब आम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करबा। से जीवन सारा बाहा हेलेनी। She remained single all her life. She remained single all her life. से लोकप्रिय होई गले। She became popular. She became popular. ता जेजेमा ताको पाली पोसी बड़ कले. She was brought up by her grandmother. She was brought up by her grandmother. तांको सामना रे ए विषय रे कथा हुअनी. Don't talk about it in front of him. Don't talk about it in front of him. सत कथा यही है कि मु तांको पसंद करेनी. As a matter of fact, I dislike him. As a matter of fact, I dislike him. से तांको माँ भलिया सुंदर. She is as beautiful as her mother. She is as beautiful as her mother. से ही लोकोटी सबु आशा छाड़ी देछि. That man lost all hopes. That man lost all hope. फोन बहुत थर बाजिला. The phone rang several times. The phone rang several times. सही भलिया कथा जमार हुअनी. Don't say things like that. Don't say things like that. यह एक कठिन समस्या. It's a difficult problem. It's a difficult problem. से अधिकांश गिटार बजाए. She often play the guitar. She often plays the guitar. से मो पड़ोसी मानक मध्यरु जणे. He is one of my neighbors. He is one of my neighbors. से किछि समय पई संकोच प्रकाश कले. She hesitated for a moment. She hesitated for a moment. हाँ मोते यह बहुत पसंद. Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much. काली राति रे कौन हैला? What happened last night? What happened last night? आमो पाखरे पानी नथिला पीबाकू. We had no water to drink. We had no water to drink. 10 वर्ष बहुत लंबा समय. 10 years is a long time. 10 years is a long time. यह तुम स्वास्थ्य पाई भल नुहे. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your health. से जने जिद्दी झी अटे. She is stubborn girl. She is stubborn girl. मु जने पुराना सांग सह देखा कली. I ran into an old friend of mine. I ran into an old friend of mine. मु आउ चली परिबिनी. I cannot walk any further. मु आउ चली परिबिनी. मु आउ चली परिबिनी. I cannot walk any further. I cannot walk any further. मु तुम सहित सहमत नुहे. I differ with you. I differ with you. मते इंग्रजी पढ़िबा को भल लागे. I like studying English. I like studying English. भूल करने को डरनी। Don't be afraid of making mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistake. मु तांको बिल्कुल विश्वास करेनी। I don't believe him at all. I don't believe him at all. सेथिरे तुमरा मुंडो खड़ाइबा किछि दरकार नहीं। That's no business of yours. That's no business of yours. मो फोन काम करूनी। My phone is out of order. My phone is out of order. सेमानंक सहित जुक्ति करिबारे कोनोसी लाभ नाही। It's no use arguing with them. It's no use arguing with them. मु तांको आगरे तुम ना नेली। I mentioned your name to him. I mentioned your name to him. मु काली पूरा दिन सारा काम कली। I worked all day yesterday. I worked all day yesterday. मोर एबे खाइबारे मन नाही। I don't feel like eating now. I don't feel like eating now. से काली तुमको देखा करबा को आसीथिले। He came to meet you yesterday. He came to meet you yesterday. कौन तुम्हें जानिछो से कौन करिछि? Do you know what has he done? Do you know what has he done? क्षमा कर दियो मु भूल नंबर रे कॉल कर देछि। Sorry, I dialed the wrong number. Sorry, I dialed the wrong number. बापा मते एकुटिया जीवा को अनुमति दियंतिनी। Father does not allow me to go alone. Father does not allow me to go alone. देखो बाहरे कौन हेउछि। See what's going on outside. See what's going on outside. केही भी तांको प्रश्नर उत्तर देलेनी। Nobody answered her question. Nobody answered her question. तुमे एठिकी कौन पाई आसीछो? What have you come here for? What have you come here for? से तुमठारु भी सुंदर। She is more beautiful than you. She is more beautiful than you. से रास्ता पारी हेउथिले। He was crossing the road. He was crossing the road. मु तांको सेठिकी जाउथिबार देखिली। I saw her going there. I saw her going there. मु किछि कहिनी। I did not say a word. I did not say a word. मो पाखरे जाहा थिला मु तांको देई देली। I gave him what I had. I gave him what I had. मु बाहर को जाई नथिली काली। I did not go out yesterday. I did not go out yesterday. मु तांको सहित बाजार पर्यंत गली। I accompanied her to the market. I accompanied her to the market. तुमे केते दिन पर्यंत सेठी रहिबो? How long will you stay there? How long will you stay there? मामुनी मो बदଳରେ सेठाकू गला। मामुनी went there instead of me. मामुनी went there instead of me. से मते नियम गुड़िक बुझाइले। He explained the rules to me. He explained the rules to me. तुमे कुआडे जिबाकु चाहुंचो कि? Do you want to go somewhere? Do you want to go somewhere? आउ टिके धीरे तुमे कहि परिबो कि? Could you speak more slow? Could you speak more slow? काली आउ थरे आसी मते देखा करो. Come see me again tomorrow. Come see me again tomorrow. मो पाखरे तुमको देखा करबाकू समय नहीं. I have no time to see you. I have no time to see you. मु चाहुनी कि एहा घटू. I don't want this to happen. I don't want this to happen. निजर भलसे जत्न नियो. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. से बहुत खुशी हेबे. She will be very glad. She will be very glad. मो पाखरे तुमको देखा करबाकू समय नहीं. I have no time to see you. I have no time to see you. मु चाहुनी कि एहा घटू. I don't want this to happen. I don't want this to happen. निजर भलसे जत्न नियो. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. से बहुत खुशी हेबे. She will be very glad. She will be very glad. कौन तुमे एठिकी केबे आसीछ? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? तुमे केउ स्कूल रे पढ़? What school do you go to? What school do you go to? सेमाने मते बुझंतीनी. They don't understand me. They don't understand me. सेमाने मो सांगर मजाक उड़ांती. They make fun of my friend. They make fun of my friend. जहाँ मु कहली तांको गर्व को आघात पहुंचाइला. What I said hurt his pride. What I said hurt his pride. तुमे भीतर को आसीबा को चाहू न कि? Do not you want to come in? Don't you want to come in? कौन तुमे याको गुप्त रखि पारिबो? Can you keep it a secret? Can you keep it a secret? सेमाने बहुत पैसा वाला. They are wealthy. They are wealthy. चिट्ठी को काटिकी खोली दियो. Cut the envelope open. Cut the envelope open. से मो कथा सुनिबेनी. He won't listen to me. He won't listen to me. मु स्कूल चली की जाए. I go to school on foot. I go to school on foot. मुते चा ठारू अधिक कॉफी पसंद. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. मु एबे भी जानिनी. I still don't know. I still don't know. कौन मु निकमा अटे? Am I good for nothing? Am I good for nothing? ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏହା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଜଣା ଥିଲା। They knew this already. They knew this already. ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ ରୋକି ପାରିଲିନି କାନ୍ଦିବାରୁ। I could not help crying. I could not help crying. कौन मु गोटे कॉल करि परिबी? Can I make a phone call? Can I make a phone call? आज बहुत ठंडा अटे। It's very cold today. It's very cold today. मो पेट गड़गड़ हेउची। My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling. आउ कोन आमे कहि परिबा? My stomach is growling. My stomach is growling. छुरी बहुत धारुआ अटे। The knife is very sharp. The knife is very sharp. जिते शीघ्र सेते भलो। The sooner the better. The sooner the better. मते लागुची से जहा करूची ठीक। I think she is right. I think she is right. मु आउ एहा सही परिबिनी। I cannot stand it anymore. I cannot stand it anymore. तो फ्रेंड्स जदि आपण माननकु ए वीडियोटी भलो लागिछि तो आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलिबेनी। देखा नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे। टिल देन टेक केयर बाय बाय।